This is the Homeacre spoon rest as well as a ladle rest too. And it is quite beautiful. This measures approximately 9 inches by 4 inches by approximately 1 inches. And this is such a cute vintage design. It kind of reminds me of farmhouse style, and I absolutely love it. Now, this is great for a variety of things. You can use this for a spoon rest, or you can use it for a spatula rest, as well as a ladle rest. And this saves your countertops of getting dirty, stained, and scratched up too. So it's really versatile, and look how cute it is. Here's a close-up of the spoon rest, and look how beautiful it is. Thank you, Homeacre Design, for sending this to me. I absolutely love it. And this is what the back looks like. And it is just so ideal for using it on your countertops. Definitely love it. What's really nice about this, it has heat-resistant ceramic, and it's also dishwasher safe as well. Perfect, so ideal. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.